Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. We got John Jay first in the first in the trat, man. John Jay first in the trat, baby. Bowmander second in the trat. Bull trap, maybe. Pika Power fourth in the trat. I like it, Pika. John Jay, I like your song. Me too. Darn it, I'm late. Pudgy and never late, man. Pika PS5 Future Gaming. I'll try. Perfect. Pika. OG Lunatic. We got PS5. Pika. Bowmander. John Jay. PS5. OG Lunatic. Tim. OG. Pika. Keith Kemp. Gosh, man, I'm messing these names up today. Tim. Who else we got in here? Tim Saru. We got OG. Pudgy. OG. Pika. Tim. Outdoor Smile. PS. You guys are having a good old conversation. Tim. Pudgy. OG Lunatic. Outdoor Smile. OG. Ali. What's going on? Tim PS5. OG. Outdoor Smile. Pudgy. OG. Ali. Outdoor Smile. What's going on, everybody? Let's jump in the market right now. See what's happening to our beloved AMC. It is sitting 0.44% higher right now. Slightly in the green, $12.56. Shiba Inu coin sitting pretty steady at the moment, 983 points per coin. GameStop down 1.64% right now, $137.98. Bitcoin back down below the $20,000 mark, sitting at 19,971. Intraday low, do we have it? We do not have it. 19,831 is the intraday low. You're sitting at 970 right now, so we're going to have to watch that one. The NASDAQ turning back into the red, guys. Over the last half hour or so, it has been trending down. It's 0.20% lower. Bureau Therapeutics sitting 2.06% lower right now. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all down on the day. Sundial, 35.19. Mullen Auto sitting at $1.59, still up 5% on the day. Bouncing back with some green candles here. CEI, 43.5 cents right now. SPY sitting at break even. BBIG, $2.08. Highcroft Mining, down 3%. Netflix, up 4.70%. Redbox is sitting down 13% today. Clovis, $1.50, and I added Boxed and Revlon to the watch list here. I'm looking at Boxed, guys. I'm gonna see what's going on with Boxed tomorrow. If this continues to curl up, I may get a little interested in it on doing some sort of a swing trade and seeing what happens there. Just because I know retail is gonna start paying attention. It is on the list of most traded stocks today, had 2 solid days in a row. I would expect possibly a little bit of a pullback tomorrow. And I guess investors to get interested. If people start talking about this, I think it's got potential to get back up here in this $7 range. And I would like to participate in that if retail does start talking and get this stock trending here. So I added this to the watch list, and then Revlon, of course, because everybody's going bonkers about Revlon right now, and it's going to stop us from having to go out and search it every single time. So we will keep our eyes on Revlon as well, because you guys just love the dangerous stocks. My goodness gracious, you do. But for the time being, let's watch Bitcoin try to bounce back above 20,000. I'm assuming that you heard me ask who told me that yesterday in the morning live. I have no idea what's going on. Outdoor, good, heck yeah, man. I told my dad about it, and he said a Marine knows best. He's a crayon eater too. Good deal, man. People like to eat the crayons these days. Red's good flavor. What's up, bros? What's going on? Lacey, Ali. I'm laughing too. Pudgy, yes, rah. Clay, what's going on? OG Lunatic, love the positive attitude. OG, let's go. Got some haters hating on me in here, dude. OG Lunatic, never, man. Nobody's ever gonna hate on you. No way. OG Lunatic downtown. Charlie Brown is moon. I shouldn't have said downtown. I have a Lunka bag, and I have bought worse to try a Shiba Hunter. Something. The market wrecked. Anything you buy now within reason is going to make money when it turns. Hey, man, I do agree with that. Anything that is able to survive this bear market, I do believe is going to make some money on the other end. Later on, BTC was at 67,000. What was crypto life like? Lift our spirits up, my brother, please. PS5, future of gaming. I'm going to tell you right now. Whoa, what happened to my screen? Let's get back on here. Come on now. Crypto life was crazy when Bitcoin was at 67,000, man. You got Shiba Inu coin running, Bitcoin running, and everybody, here's the complete opposite of what it is now. Everybody was telling you Bitcoin's going to $1 million. You had Ethereum going to $10,000, $20,000, $50,000. Shiba Inu coin was going to a penny. It was complete and utter confidence. You could not get anybody to believe that there could have been a pullback for anything. Everybody was willing to buy regardless of what the price was. It was add, FOMO in, FOMO in, FOMO in. And it is completely different than that right now. Right now, we got a little dip. People are like, I think it's going to dip further. I think it's going to go lower. This isn't the bottom. And it's near the exact opposite. When we do reach the exact opposite, when everybody thinks that crypto is going to zero, that it's never going to bottom out and stop, that's when it bottoms out and stops. Because that's when fear is at its largest point. And once fear obviously is at its largest point, that's like, you can only walk as far as you can walk, and then you have to turn around. Or when you hit the wall, you got to turn around. When fear hits its largest point, it is its largest point because it is turning around already. So when that happens, man, we're going to start to see a little bit of confidence build back up. But I don't think we're there just yet. Dan, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Dan says, people love dangerous stocks because they love gambling. Most people are gamblers, not investors. It's because they're ruled by their emotions. Hey, yeah, Dan, you are right, dude. You are right. I know that these gambles, these lottery ticket stocks, things like Revlon, right, where you could go in, people are literally buying a bankrupted company right now. AMC was not filing for bankruptcy. AMC was close to filing for bankruptcy, but AMC did not file bankruptcy. Revlon filed bankruptcy. So there's a huge difference in what was going on with Revlon and what was going on with AMC. But, nonetheless, dude, people are really, really, really buying in and feeding off this right now. I hope that nobody that got into the $8 range today has not taken a profit, and tomorrow it opens up at $2 or something crazy. So just be a little skeptical, be a little cautious if you are in Revlon. But, dude, people do love the rush that you get by putting it on the line. You know what I like? That's what it is, dude. If you're out there gambling and you're putting it all on the line, you're doing the same thing here in the stock market, buying these crazy dangerous stocks like Revlon. You're putting it on the line and hoping for the best to come about. Man, Bitcoin hitting some nice green lines there. What do you think about Luna Classic? Levi, man, I like Luna Classic better than I like Terra Luna 2.0 right now, but I'm going to say this, okay? You got to treat it as a meme coin. You gotta treat it as something that unless people rally around the price, it is likely not going to do much. And I say that because it doesn't have developers anymore. It's not out there to stabilize the UST, that stable coin. It's not some sort of a development project. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't have some community come up, built up around it, call themselves the lunatics, and all of a sudden, they are burning and creating utility in the form of retail and building businesses around Luna Classic, similar to what Shiba Inu coin is doing. That can absolutely happen. But you have to treat it as a meme coin right now, a dangerous meme coin. And yes, it does have the potential to rise in price very quickly and make a lot of money, simply because the price has been beaten down so much over the last month or two. Sup, fam? Been a while. Diffy Dog in the house, baby. What is going on, Diffy Dog? How you been, man? I've been smoking Rev from the get-go. Dude, Tim, if you're in Revlon, dude, and you've been in from the get-go, like meaning you got in, I don't even care if you got in second day, but if you've been in Revlon since last week, man, 1, congratulations. 2, don't ride it back down, dude. Try your best not to ride it back down. If you've literally 4x your money right now, dude, congratulations to you. If you've 8x your money, I don't know how much higher. Like, this is massive resistance here. This was a little bit of resistance. I was expecting possibly the $7 mark to get into this area right here. I would not have imagined getting all the way back up to here. Where we basically tapped today, well, let's move this line up. Where we basically tapped today was multi-year levels of resistance. So throughout 2020, tapping, trying to come back down, using his support, and we came all the way up and busted it today. Here's the good news for you guys that live life on the edge, okay? If it breaks through this area here, it can absolutely go up to $13, right? People are wild buying Revlon, and I am not going to say that today was not the top, but if it wasn't, you're talking this $13 range right here that it traded in for the better half of a year throughout 2020 and into 2021. Like, this is the next major level of resistance that you'd be looking out for, and I can't fathom you'd be coming up and retesting these areas in here, like 17, 18 bucks on Revlon, but that's the next near term, very, very, let's say, loose level of resistance. But I never would have imagined a bankrupt company would have gone from $1 to $9 per share to begin with. So could this dollar company go to $17? Yeah, man, it could. But you can wake up tomorrow and it'd be right back down at $2 per share. Do not take for granted that there's only 7 million shares free float right now. And that meaning that Revlon has control over the other 48 million shares that are out there. And if you jump up in price to $10 a share, dude, don't think that they won't go out and raise $480 million to avoid bankruptcy and take advantage of every kid that is out there trying to make a major trade on their stock. And you wake up and they dilute the free float by, oh gosh, what would it be? 6x, 7x the current free float. Boom, way back down in price. So just, I don't know, man. Be careful if you guys are in Redbox. You guys make me so nervous. I don't know what to do about it. Victor! Thank you very much. How'd Victor know that I was hungry, man? You take that hot dog. This is called the dip and shove technique. You dip the hot dog in your favorite dip. Whatever the dip is, man, you dip it in, and you take the hot dog, one shot right here. It's called the shove. Victor, thank you very much for the hot dog, man. Knew I was hungry, but we got it. Let's see the hot dog trick. Heck yeah, man. Called the dip and shove. Best way to eat a hot dog. Green Satoshi token, Clay. Can you look into that? I mean, really look into it. Well, I can't really look into it on the live, but yeah, a couple people have talked about Green Satoshi, man. Victor, 9-month member chat, man. Victor, thank you very much. 9 months being a bro. He's got the chipmunk, the popcorn, and the hot dogs, the bananas. We got some nuts. We got some donuts. We've got some sunglasses and a little. Yes, Victor, man. Thank you for the member chat, and thank you for having that green name for 9 months, man. We hit 5 zeros, but because of the past 4 months of newer lows, is that why adding a zero doesn't hurt my feelings so bad? Kind of excited to buy more Shib, or am I just a Shib nut? Nah, John J, man, I don't think that you're... Here's what that says to me, okay? It says you're more excited about the future than you are the short term. And whether or not, you had to... clearly along the way, everybody wants the stock price to go up. Everybody wants the crypto prices to go up. But if you believe in the future, what we're being given right now is a sale. If you are uneasy or unsure or uncertain about the future, then these lower prices really, really stress you out. So what that says to me, man, is you're a little bit more comfortable with the future of Shiba Inu coin and the future of crypto than maybe you were a couple of months ago, and you're being given an opportunity right now to really load up. Still waiting for the blue wrench. Victor! You've probably waited long enough, man. Congrats on 9 months, Victor. Heck yeah, peak of power. Looks like that Shib trash is heading back down. Malone! Yeah, that Shib trash is heading back down right at the moment, along with Bitcoin. But it's still okay, dude. If you want to compare it to the Bitcoin trash right here, we've got Bitcoin well below where it was, about 33% or 30% below where it was last month. If you look at Shiba Inu coin, oh, dang, man, the Shib trash is only down about maybe 10% from where it was last month. So the Bitcoin trash is actually down 3 times as much in respect to the percentage gains and the percentage losses. The Shib trash is down over the last month. So I don't know, man, not doing too bad compared to some of the other coins that are out there. And AMC giving us our MOAS candle nice and early today. My goodness, 12.8 and 12.30 right there. One of these days, that bad boy is going to creep into 358, and we are going to be MOASing it up at the end of the day. Guys, this was really, really close to the close of trade today. Interesting. Dan, man, thank you very much for the super chat. If Binance collapses, will that destroy the crypto market? I heard Coinbase is having some serious problems, and they are one of the major exchanges. Yes, Coinbase is one of the major exchanges, and I believe Coinbase has like 60 million users across the globe or something. It's something ridiculously high. And they are having, they're not necessarily having issues at the moment. What they've got is declining revenue, declining earnings, and it's not looking good. It's not necessarily an issue until they're unable to fulfill their current obligations and their current liabilities. That's when it becomes an actual issue. It's not going in the right direction, though. Let's put it that way. If Binance fails, does it destroy the crypto market? Let me pose this question, Dan, because I can't necessarily answer that question. I absolutely think that it could destroy the crypto market short term, yes. But I gotta put it this way, dude. If you go back, everybody wants a time machine, right? And you're gonna go back to 2010, and you're gonna buy Bitcoin. You're gonna buy Bitcoin at a tenth of a penny, or whatever Bitcoin's trading at. You're gonna load up, man, and you're gonna be sitting on 1 million Bitcoin. Now, what do you do with those Bitcoin? Binance doesn't exist. You're not able to actually go out there and buy and sell and trade. It's literally just a Bitcoin. Unless you can find a buyer, unless you can go out on eBay and sell your Bitcoin, unless you can go out and find some marketplace to find a buyer for your Bitcoin, all you have is Bitcoin. And that's why it was very low in price. If Binance collapses, if Coinbase collapses, if all of these companies who generate revenue based on the trades that people make. Remember, they make money every time somebody trades. If people are not trading, these guys aren't making money. And they're not going to be able to sustain it if everybody is holding. So looking at that, let's say they do collapse. Now, here's my concern. They take your crypto. That's my concern. They take your crypto to pay off their debtors. That, in my opinion, is theft. That, in my opinion, will lead to countless class action lawsuits and tie people up for a very long time. Now, let's say these people are actually normal human beings and they realize that that money is not their money and they give it back to everybody. Let's say you have, unless you're in a coma, right? Let's say Binance announces that they're going, Coinbase announces that they're going, and they give you a 1 month grace period. Clearly everybody's going to be doing it first day, but let's say they give you a 1 month grace period to say they will be filing bankruptcy. The stock price is going to tank. You got to get your crypto off their platform, or anything is going to be considered their property. That would be a much more appropriate measure, in my opinion. So let's say all of the centralized exchanges do go down. What we have is a situation very similar to what we had in the early crypto stages. When if you were mining crypto, you were just mining crypto, man. You couldn't actually trade it for $1. You couldn't trade it for your pound, your euro, your yen, your won, whatever you wanted. You couldn't trade it for it because there was no centralized exchange. So, do I think it'll destroy the crypto market? I think crypto lives on. I think that crypto in general will definitely live on. Does it destroy the prices? Yeah, probably, because it provides a lot of easy access to crypto and a lot of easy trading to the financial services. I guess part of that. But, dude, people are always going to want crypto. People are always going to want Bitcoin. People are always going to want the major players. And they will retain value, even if it's just an Ethereum for Ethereum transaction, or if it's never, everybody relates it back to their fiat currency. But maybe one day it is simply a Bitcoin transaction and we are not transacting in the US dollar anymore. If they destroy the dollar, we've got something else in crypto. Let's see. They need to return 100 million Rev shares. This thing is going to fly, brother. Oh my gosh. Wayne Grow is... Yeah, we talked about Revlon a second ago. Wayne Grow. I'm going to start calling you Revlo. Or Revgrow. Not Wayne Grow. Revgrow. Dude, Revlon, look, here's my lines, man. You ran into multi-year levels of resistance today. Okay, if this stock does not care about resistance, which seemingly it does with this sort of a candle right here, you could end up with a test of this resistance at $13. If for some reason traders are able to break through the upper end of this multi-year channel at $13, dude, I mean, why not? Why, after what I've seen, why not? Why not go test $18 per share? You know, why not test the upper 17s? So these are my next two lines on Revlon here. We can make them a little bit bigger so you guys can see them better. But, you know, keep in mind, man, this is not a guaranteed play. This is a very, very, very risky play. Filing bankruptcy and then running up 800% in the following week, not something to take lightly. So I hope that it does rip up for anybody that is in Revlon. Diffy dog, we get that 8-month member chat. What's going on, Diffy dog? Free sis bro and sibling abuse, dude. If sis bro hasn't made a darn shirt in like the last year and a half, man, sis bro is free. I took that last wish, man, and I granted her freedom just like Aladdin and the genie. Boom! She don't make nothing anymore. Come on, she should make something now. Binance is hoarding. Darn it, Andro, man, I missed your thing. I was going to read it, but I missed it. Bring it back out there. Clever, you heard anything more about the Shi stablecoin? Actually, I have not heard anything more about the Shi stablecoin. The only thing that I would have heard reference to that recently is, I believe, Satoshi or somebody. I don't even know if it was Satoshi anymore. Somebody was going on about, you know, Ryoshi vision. I follow Ryoshi's vision. Ryoshi wants Treat and Shi and the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem to grow. We must follow Ryoshi. So that's the last thing that I heard about Shi, was that somebody was going on about Ryoshi's vision and following the master, you know, through the darkness. Wayne Girl, the name's Wayne Girl. Yeah, Rain Girl. But what I'm going to start calling you Rev Grow, dude, because you love Revlon. Squeezing next year, this year. Trey says we will be sub 20 by the end of the year. I think sub 10. Alfred. Let me put it this way, man. I think it's going to be very difficult to squeeze in a bear market, okay? And it's going to be tough. It can happen, right? There's nothing to say that it can't happen. Clearly, stocks can shoot up. You're looking at Revlon right now. You guys saw what Redbox was doing. Clearly, stocks can shoot up in a down market. Not easy. This stock doesn't make any sense to me. But they can move higher in a down market, so I'm not going to say it's impossible. I am going to say the likelihood is less during a down market or a bear market like we're in right now, because just investors are less confident. Before, we had people throwing money at the stock market like it was, I don't know, just a literal poker table, man. They didn't care. They were just throwing money and throwing money and throwing money. We don't have that right now. So I do think that we can squeeze before the end of the year if the sentiment starts to shift. If all of a sudden we get the next CPI reading to come in and you know, somebody along the way made a mistake and it comes in at like 5.4% instead of 9.4%, then I think investors are going to be very excited about that. And we could start to see some relief buying come in at that point. But we need to see some of the fundamentals turn around, in my opinion. Binance is hoarding on Luke. Any idea what's happening? No, Andro. I do not know why Binance would be hoarding Luke. Lunk. I think it might be because, you know, they're just anticipating a ton of people buying Luna Classic, and therefore they are loading up because they need to have it available on their exchange. If more and more people buy Luna Classic, Binance needs to have that available so that they can go out and trade it on their platform. John Jay, that's my buy price on another 100 million Shib. What did John Jay say? I missed what John Jay said. Darn it. Ask the 8-ball. Will Shib hit 0.0005 tonight? We're going to ask the 8-ball right now. Will Shiba Inu coin hit 0.000005 tonight? The answer is Dang it, man. This 8-ball is lazy as can be, man. The answer is ask again later. So we're going to have to ask again slightly later, John Jay. Ask me again in like 5 minutes. We'll ask the 8-ball again. I'm getting sick of this 8-ball telling me to come back later. Hold 15 million, hashtag Lunk. I bought them at 0.00007. I also hold 27 million Shib. I would like to hold more Shib. Should I sell my Lunk and buy approximately 60 million more Shib? Or should I hold both? Pokid 77. Holding both is a little bit more of a diversification strategy. So one goes up, clearly you're going to be doing well, but not as well as if you had everything in that one. Now, if one of them goes down, you're not going to have the same exposure and your risk is limited. So diversifying your assets and diversifying your portfolio is a good way to reduce the risk. Now, yes, it does reduce the quantity of reward that you can have, because if the one that you were in, if you are 100% invested in Shiba Inu coin and it jumps up 300% in a single day, your portfolio goes up 300% in a day. If you're 50-50 Lunk and Shib and Shib goes up 300% in a day and Lunk doesn't move, you're going to be sitting on 150% gain on your portfolio. It's going to get cut in half because you're split half between Shib and Lunk. So it really all depends, man, on your risk appetite, but I don't think it's a bad idea to diversify. It limits risk. Inflation now over 6%, yet Clearbro merch remains 2021 pricing. That's a buy for me. Boom, Diffy Dog. That's what I'm talking about. Space Ape, cheers, bro. Take a look at BTC market cap dominance chart. Do you think we need to see a break of the 48% to see crypto recover? Gosh, BTC market cap dominance chart. I don't know if I've ever looked at the Bitcoin market cap dominance chart before. Let's see this. Oh, where are we at here? All right, so do I think we need to break 48? What was the actual question? I think we need to break 48 to see crypto recover. Man, this is... Okay. So let me make sure I've got this chart right, because there's no explanation. But what we're looking at here is Bitcoin's overall percentage of the cryptocurrency market cap. If that is correct, meaning Bitcoin is currently 44% of the entire crypto market. If that is correct, I am going to say no. We do not necessarily need to see Bitcoin breaking above the 48% mark in order to see cryptocurrency recover. All this necessarily says is that Bitcoin over the last 10 days, 11 days, has been falling at a faster rate than the rest of the altcoins. I don't necessarily think that this needs to break back up above 48% in order to see a recovery in the crypto market. I don't think that Bitcoin needs to maintain half the value of the entire cryptocurrency market in order to see sustainable growth and to see investors confident again in the overall crypto market. I actually don't mind that this is down a little right now. I really don't mind that this is down a little. I would rather see this down than up, but that's based on my assumption of what this is, because I've never looked at this before. I believe this is probably Bitcoin's overall comparison, or Bitcoin's comparison to the overall cryptocurrency market cap. And I would unfortunately, say no, I don't think we need to break up. I think we need to worry about some more of the fundamentals that drive confidence. Hey bro, remod, next chat for me. Pudgy, I got you, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. You could have just wrote it in that super chat, dude. I'm going live on Tuesday. This is from Pudgy, guys. Listen to Pudgy. I'm going live on Tuesday at 6 p.m. Pacific time. Come join me while I make my favorite taco recipe. Quick, cheap, easy, and my kids love them. 6 p.m. Pacific time. Tuesday, 6 p.m. Who's making tacos on Tuesday? I love it, Pudgy. Guys, make sure, and thank you very much, Pudgy. Appreciate that super chat. Make sure, follow Pudgy. I don't know if he's going live on mobile or if he's going live on a desktop, what he's doing there. Make sure to follow Pudgy. Dude, you can hook it up like I do. You use your phone as you won't be able to view the chat then, but you can still hook your phone up to the computer and use it as a camera so that people can see what you're doing. But, yes, guys, follow Pudgy. Pudgy wants to go live. He wants to show you guys how to make some magnificent tacos. Tuesday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. That would be 9 p.m. Eastern time. Bedtime, taco time. Tim, thank you very much for the super chat. The super sticker from Tim, man. We got to get this horn going on. Tim, this is for you, dude. This is for Tim. We got a little bit of a curve in our horn today, ladies and gentlemen. This one's for you, Tim. Thank you very much. You get, oh, come on, man. We'll get it right, dude. We'll get it right. So you can see the horn the whole time, Tim. Take the horn off this screen. Thank you very much for the curved horn super sticker unicorn. Tim, man, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Pika Power with the unicorn. Yes, Pug, I'll take a table for two, please. Yeah, dude, everybody wants some tacos. Come on now. What are other applications do you think exist for blockchain technology besides payments and anonymity, getting around the banks? Let's see. Applications for blockchain technology that may not exist yet for payments, anonymity, and getting around the banks. Clearly, blockchain could be much more diverse than people are looking at it right now. Dude, literally any level of accounting could probably be streamlined through blockchain. Supply chain as well. Being able to track and verify and lock in any sort of information on the blockchain as valid. You got something that's being shipped across the globe. Right now you've got literally, if you just think about the post office, man, if you got a tracking number on a phone and something can come and happen to shipping information, you don't know the source of where something is from and things like that. Blockchain could revolutionize supply chain. Blockchain could revolutionize accounting. You've got these accountants right now, man, one mistake and the entire book is no longer balanced, and that mistake can turn into millions and millions and millions of dollars. If we've got everything on the ledger, which is accounting in the first place, but we've got everything on the ledger and verified through the blockchain, it could revolutionize accounting. NFTs in the blockchain. I think that the housing market could be revolutionized. Literally any legal document that is out there of ownership could most likely be revolutionized through the use of NFTs and blockchain. If I own my house, dude, if I go to the title bureau right now and they say, oh, we don't have your deed on record anymore, I'm going to look at them like they're stupid and ask them where it's at. If my deed is on the blockchain, then it's secured, it's validated. Nobody can mess that record up, and you can't lose it at that point. So record of ownership could be something that is, I guess, revolutionized by blockchain and these non-fungible tokens that are currently just pictures that people put on their profile, but could have real-world application in, literally just ownership of anything, your car title, your home title, and things like that. Let's see. I think that probably answers the question. A couple different things, like applications for blockchain technology, aside from, I guess, laundering money and getting around banks and things like that. Pokedik77, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate you. Peace out to you, Pokedik77. That is a tough name, man. Pokedik. Sub to Pudgy. Do it. Listen to Pika Power right now, guys. If you don't listen to Pika, I don't know what you're doing. Clever, can you make a video on how to sell option trade? Oh yeah, Sam Demand. So buying and selling options is very, very similar to buying and selling stocks. Okay, so if you're gonna go out there, you can play the options market. It does get very, very difficult, but to make it very simple, it's the same way that you can only do two things. Okay, you can only buy and you can only sell. Now, they make it difficult because you can buy and buy, you can sell and sell, you can buy and sell, you can do so many different strategies with options. But let's say you wanted to generate some income. You could sell a call that you don't own, you could sell a put that you don't own, and you would be bringing in money. Now, of course, if the stock price went in the wrong direction, you will be losing money, but if it went in the right direction, you would be earning money. And you would get to keep that premium that you brought in. If you want to buy options, you can buy a call option, and if the stock price goes up, you're going to be making money. You can buy a put option, and if the stock price goes down, you will be making money. One of the things that people often overlook in options, though, and you've got to be very careful, options can look very cheap, but if you buy an option that, let's say it expires on Friday, and let's say today was a very good day and the options price is up and you decide to get in and you buy out of the money. You bought an option on Revlon for $10 and it's trading at, well, that's not Revlon. You bought an option on, Revlon for $10 today, $10 strike price, and it expires on Friday. Well, tomorrow Revlon could go up to $9, but you don't want to sell yet. And then Friday comes around and it still goes up to $9.50, but all of a sudden your option is worthless. Because of that expiration, it has to be above your strike price by the time that it expires, or it expires worthless. So a lot of people take for granted the fact that they really, really have to move in price if you're buying out of the money options. So be a little cautious, but dude, a lot of people look at options as ways to leverage their investment, but you can use options just to protect your investment. Got a blast. Have a great day, everybody. New foe. Enjoy your day, man. Clear, how's the weather up there? It's cool 106 with the heat index down here in Texas. Dang. Currently 93 degrees and mostly sunny. My phone, about a half hour ago before I went live, said that it was 91 degrees, but it said that the real feel was 99 degrees. So 91, but it feels like 96 right now. Very hot out today, man. Very hot out today. Do you believe in XRP as the future? ING. I think that XRP, if they're able to survive this, lawsuit with the SEC, is going to do very well. Do I believe it's the future? It could be, but I don't know if it is the future, right? I do think that there's going to be a large problem when cryptocurrency catches on and governments realize that their fiat is beginning to decline in value. So I think that the governments are going to give it more trouble than we really think. Great. Shout out Lunatics Army Discord, brother. Absolutely. Shout out to the Lunatics Army Discord, guys. Julia, Clint, did you see the video Ape Father made? No, I did not, Julia. I did not see that, but it's got to be funny. We get some, what is this, Korean letters? So many YouTubers is selling a lot of nothing burger with extra cheese. Should we supersize it? I wish I knew how to say your name. But yes, man, always buy bigger, okay? You'd rather have more than not enough. You'd rather have more than not enough. So if you're going to get that nothing burger, make sure to supersize it, man. Hey, Sam, I'm at work. What's going on? JG, checking it out now. Something. Is Kalani in here? Did Kalani watch the entire congressional hearing with Jerome Powell earlier? Let's see. Where we at? Okay, thank you. Absolutely, Sam the Man. Clay, bro, if there was a Velociraptor sticker, what performance move would you do? John J., here's the thing, man. I don't plan these things out. Okay, I don't plan these things out, but if there is a Velociraptor sticker and you want to see what I would do, I guess we're going to have to see what I would do. Do you think Coinbase will go under? Kid, let me put it this way. If the cryptocurrency market continues in the same direction that it is continuing right now, and it does so for a couple year period, Yes. I do think there's a very large chance that some of the major exchanges go under. Why? They are very large, they are very slow, and they are not lean. Coinbase is doing okay, in my opinion, in the fact that they laid off or will be laying off 1,100 workers. It's always hard to see somebody lose their job, but I'm going to tell you right now, there are more than 1,100 jobs that are available out there, and they can go find jobs. It's not bad to say that, because if Coinbase continues to just pay out and pay out and pay out, they're not bringing the revenue in, and then they will be going bankrupt. So at least they're extending their chances of surviving in the short term. However, things have to improve. Things have to improve if Coinbase expects to stay around. And I think they probably have to improve pretty soon. Clear up. You know what time it is? JJ, man. What time is it? Hey, JJ, what's the name of the video? I gotta see this 8-father video. A big shout out to DJ Trev up here in the admin of the Lunatics Army Discord. Heck yeah, DJ Trev. Where you at? You in here? I don't even see DJ Trev anywhere. We get Bitcoin falling back down a little bit. Purple lines. Shiba Inu coin following suit. Purple lines right here. So we'll be watching that unfold at the moment. Man, Boxed is doing pretty well. Up to $2.27 after hours. I'd like a little pullback. I'd like to get into Box here, man. I like this little swing that might be happening. And potential upside move on our little Boxed friend here. So I wouldn't mind a little pullback tomorrow and an opportunity to get in here, but we seem to have some after hours action that is conducive to this rally continuing on. In the meantime, we'll be watching Bitcoin lose its shirt. PW Julia and Ape says she wants to buy me a shirt. Oh god. Hey, does anybody have the Ape Father's address? I should send him a bro shirt. I should send him a bro shirt right now. JJ knows what time it is, man. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there right now? JJ, dude, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. I know you guys got to be hard like a diamond right now, for sure. Gosh, it's hot. Dead cat, let's go. Killer Beja. We always get that little dead cat bounce, man. Pudrematic, holla. DJ Trev is in the building. What's going on, DJ Trev? Clipper, any news on the Solana drama after your last upload on YouTube? Buy or sell? High at 256, now 35. 8x top 5 in crypto. Your thoughts, bro? Hey, PS5. As far as I know, they reversed the decision, right? I don't like anybody, and I get why they did it, right? They don't want to risk liquidating a $180 million wallet, I guess, and potentially causing a lot of downward pressure on the price. Now, it's not their money, man. It's not their money. The same way is if I see all these kids out here with options and shares in Revlon, it's not my idea. It's not my money to go out there and make you guys close your positions. I can't do that. I won't do that. If I needed money, it's not my bank account to reach into yours and pull some money out. I can't touch your guys' money. Nobody else should be able to touch your money. And that's exactly what they wanted to do. And the strange thing is, okay, it was a guy that has, and he's still got a lot of money, right? He's got $700,000 in Solana. That's a lot of money. But he had 1 million votes, okay? And there were like 1,030,000 votes. He single-handedly determined what to do with that $180 million account. How can a guy with that's a lot of money, right? How can a guy with $700,000 determine what to do with somebody else's account? Just because it's going to save his butt. Like, that guy should have to sell. That guy should not be staking his coin if he doesn't believe in the longer-term future of Solana. I don't like it. I don't like it. And I don't know. I liked Solana before that, but I don't like the stuff that they got going on over there. I think Redbox is done. Oh, man. I think everybody's focused on Revlon right now. I don't know if Redbox is done or not. I haven't been keeping up on the short interest numbers over there. DJ Trev, Market Talk, man. Good to see you, brother. DJ Trev, dude. Thank you. DJ Trev, you got like a Discord? You got a YouTube? What's the shout out here for, man? Good to see you, brother. Absolutely, DJ Trev. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. I don't know if you can follow DJ Trev anywhere, man. But look, if he talks about the market, go talk about the market with DJ Trev, guys. Hit him up. See what he's got going on. Can't wait till it goes down a bit more. I'm going to drop 5,000 to 10,000 on it. Hey, Killer Peja, imagine it does come down to like $150 a coin. If Bitcoin falls down to, $5, $6, $7, $8,000, Ethereum sitting at $100 a coin, and all of a sudden your $10,000 can get you, oh man, what is that, 100 Ethereum? Dude, you're going to be sitting on 100 Ethereum? Heck yeah, dude. Then when it goes back up to $5,000, you're going to be sitting on $500,000 worth of Ethereum. When it goes up to $10,000, maybe 3, 4, 5 years from now, you're going to be sitting on $1 million worth of Ethereum. Too many scams. Dude, there are way too many scams in the crypto space, guys. Way too many scams in the crypto space. Bitcoin falling off a little bit of a cliff here, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin sitting at 19,800 at the moment. Yo, Matt, this dude keeps calling me Matt, man. Joey, my name's Clay, but what is going on, Joey? So, and now we are sure about Bitcoin that it will touch, well, there's never any certainty, right, Barry? But that is my next major level of support. DJ Trev Market Talk on YouTube. There you go, man. Go check out DJ Trev Market Talk on YouTube, guys. Give him a follow, too. Here's the thing. Right? I have no problem supporting everybody in here. Brothers literally build up brothers. If you get a jerk brother, you missed out on that one. Your job as a brother is to build your family up. That is exactly what we are doing right now. And no problem at all. Everybody supporting everybody. Seriously, follow, a like, all that stuff. One view, it helps. It supports. Don't be afraid to go out there and hook somebody up with a follow. If you don't have to watch them every day. If you don't want to watch them every day, you don't have to like every video, but it literally takes a second out of your day if you want to. Let's see where we at. It's Clay Delicious. What's your take on Pal Talk today in regards to the stock market and AMC? What's going on, Eric? Let me answer that in 2 seconds after I say pull right longs. Thank you for the super chat. JG sounds like a challenge to me. Go for it. Dang it, now I don't want to know what this challenge is. What do we got here? What's JG doing? What's JG doing? Yeah, he's a size 3X. You know what? I may actually have a 3X in my car. If it's not a 3X, it's a 2X. But there's an actual chance that I have a 3X in my car right now. Just one. But there is a chance that I have a 3X out there. Wouldn't it be sweet to see the ape father in a bro shirt? Yes, it would. So let's see here. Man, look. At this point of the game, Eric, I think the Federal Reserve, I think Jerome Powell, I think all these guys up top are literally trying to save face. They're going out there and they're trying to act like they have things under control. They're trying to act like they know what they're doing. They're trying to act like, what their plan is will work out. They're telling you that the recession's not going to be too bad. They're telling you that the labor market is great. They're telling you that wage growth is amazing. But, dude, you go out there, wage growth. Let's talk about wage growth. How many of you guys last month, or it's your last review, how many of you guys got an 8.6+% interest rate? Wage growth is negative if it does not exceed inflation. So if you guys did not get an 8% raise last year, don't let anybody tell you there's any such thing as wage growth. If you think the labor market is great because the unemployment number is low, drive down the road. Go to a restaurant. How many of them are understaffed, and how many buildings do you see help wanted? We're hiring. Just because the unemployment number is low doesn't mean that everybody has a job. It means that people stopped looking for jobs. They got comfortable on government assistance, and they got comfortable without a job. So therefore they stopped looking. Unemployment numbers can be skewed. So there's a lot, man, that they can tell you things are looking good, and they're not necessarily looking good. So how does that regard, I guess, AMC? If the market continues to go down, if the economy continues to get worse, I don't see the silver lining for AMC unless the hedge funds are so bad off that they are just forced to liquidate at that point. And I would say that's less likely. Hoodbro rides around with a 3X shirt wishing he runs into a event. Dude, actually, I ride around. I'm not even lying to you. I ride around, I believe, with a 3X shirt. I've got maybe 4 mediums and at least 1 small in my car right now. I gave away and sold all the larges and extra larges that I had. But yes, dude, one day I will run into somebody that's like, wait. Aren't you that Claybro guy? And I'll be like, yes, I am. Would you like a shirt? And then he'll be like, dang, man, you ain't got no 3X. And I'll be like, well. Matter of fact, I do. And then I'll be able to give it to him. AMC Trapper, I'm not kidding. I do have those for the event that one day I may actually run into somebody that is like, holy crap, are you Claybro? And I'm like, yes, dude. Yes, I am. Claybro from Ohio. Bobby. Yes, I am. Dude, you see me out in Ohio? Ask. I'll probably have a shirt. Unless you're a large. I'm not going to give you a shirt if you're a large or an extra large. I don't have one of those in my car. But if you got a kid that wears a medium, or your brother wears a medium, or you wear a medium, if you wear a small, or 3X, it really jumps up there. Really jumps up from medium to 3X. But we can make it happen. Hoodbro, we hire a machinist apprentice starting at $17.50. Can't fill the jobs. Hey, Tim, I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you. Everybody is hiring. Nobody wants the jobs right now. So Tim, yeah, I'm sure you drive by your business, dude. And look, I've never done any sort of I'm not a machinist. I have no idea what that entails. Probably requires some pretty good skill to run those machines. But yeah, dude, $17.50, man, it's not bad making $17.50. But you don't have anybody that wants to work right now. Clay bro, Akira. Clay, welcome, bro, Akira. We got Akira in the chat somewhere. Hey, Clay, thoughts on Zella or Elms? Ed, F88, loving the green name, man. I don't know anything about Elms. Zella was rolling today. I think Zella was one of the most traded stocks. Let's see what they were doing. 40% gain on the day, down 4% after hours. Very, very sketchy graph here. Don't necessarily like it, but dang, man. I don't know. This is a tough sell for me. 13 cents up to 19 cents on the day. Yes, very volatile stock. It could bounce back up a little bit, but man, dude, I hate this graph. I hate this graph. Let's put it this way. You basically only made money here, and maybe here over the last year. You've had roughly 3 opportunities over the last year to make money in this stock. If you get a jump up here, let's say it does go up to 30 or 40 cents or so. I don't know. I think these guys got a contract today, right? That's the news. $136 million contract. Okay. $136 million contract, and their market cap is $83 million. They got a very large contract that is going to increase their revenue, I would assume. No, it's not even really going to jump their revenue up. The revenue is already, on an annual basis, $1.17 billion in 2021. So they got a contract that's going to increase their revenue roughly by 10%. But you got to always come down here, man. They're sitting on negative net income of $142 million. So let's just assume that we increase revenue by $1.17 or $130 million by roughly 10%. If everything transfers over, that doesn't necessarily mean that we are going to see this bottom line just disappear and have positive net income or only a couple $1 million loss in the next year. we'd have to increase things accordingly. There's a cost to that revenue, and I'm sure they're going to be spending even more to fulfill that $136 million contract. So I'd be skeptical. I'd play this one on a little bit more of a technical play, and knowing you made money here, you made money here, you made money here. You had 3 chances, and the chance lasted less than a week. Lasted 1 day here, lasted a week here, and lasted 2 days here where you could make money. If you get a bounce tomorrow, if you're up 30, 40 cents, I'd probably be looking at it that way. But that's just based on the graph, man. I don't like that graph too much. Altcoins did not fall as BTC. Could this be an indication about the next bull run where altcoins will explode? Yeah, so I do believe that altcoins are going to outpace Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is clearly much larger and moves much slower than the altcoins do. So percentage gain wise, you're probably going to do better in altcoins. Now, here's the hard part. There will be some altcoins that do not make it through this bear market. I personally do not think the bear market is over. I think it's going to go down further. Projects will be abandoned. And I truly don't believe that all altcoins are going to make it out. Therefore, Bitcoin will clearly outperform those. I think Bitcoin's going to make it. So Bitcoin is clearly going to outperform those, but it all depends on which altcoins make it through. And we're going to see some massive runs in those. Now, look. There's been explosions in different types of altcoins over the last couple of years. Privacy coins did very well. Utility coins have done very well. Layer 2 blockchain coins have done extremely well. Metaverse coins have done extremely well. Gaming tokens, could be next. We might have some new genre of coin that comes out during this bear market that 1,000, 10,000 X's over the next bull run. So we have to keep our eyes open on what is out there and what is available. But I do believe that altcoins, the ones that survive or the ones that are potentially created during this bear market, will outperform Bitcoin. 35 likes. Oh my God. Frodo, if we only got 35 likes, I'm leaving. What do we got? 30. 36 likes, man. 36 likes. What are you guys doing? Come on, click the like button. Don't be lazy. In Central Ohio, we're going to get hit. We're going to get hit by what, man? I live in Northern Kentucky, and it's getting ready to hit. We got a storm. There's a storm coming. What's going on? This is Vice Beach. I'm looking at it now. But in overall, I was thinking, digging up the past. I think overall, man, Powell tried to be positive, but I'm a skeptic, okay? I'm a skeptic. You can sit here and tell me all day that things are going to be fine, but if all of the data points to things not being fine and nothing changing, okay, great, man. You can tell me all day long that it's going to be fine, but I don't think the market is necessarily buying it right now. I think that's what it is. Hey, Bitcoin Bobby, very nice, man. Where we at? Click. I hear Sam, financial friend, is flat broke. Went all in on crypto, got married and bought a house. He's in bad shape. He's starting to go fund me, but something tells me he'll just buy more crypto. Hey, Wayne Girl, man, some people, it's their vice, dude. Some people, it's their vice. If they got any money in their pocket, they're going to be investing it or gambling it and so on. But it is their vice, dude. Sounds to me like if he bought a house and he got married, he's got a wife, he's got a place to live, he's not down and out just yet, man. He can get up for round 2. Pudgy, I was in Yuma for a minute. It doesn't rain. It's just steam. Dang, man. Just steam over there. Sounds like it's pretty hot. I like Glamis, though. Something is missing. 37 likes. Nate, man. Thank you for being the 37th like. We are rolling right now, guys. 37 likes. Appreciate all of you. Just hit the like button. Hurt my hand. Zico, hit it harder next time. I'm out of water. I need to stay hydrated today, dude. It is very hot outside. I was outside earlier. You could easily get dehydrated in this heat. Smash it to bits. Do it like OG Lunatic says. Forgot to hit the like button at the beginning. Bobby, well, at least you hit it now. We're all the way up to, wow, actually, we're all the way up to 56 likes. Thank you, guys. 20 of you, 21 of you, click the like button. Frodo, thank you for reminding everybody to click the like button, because 35 is kind of sad, dude. I'm not gonna lie, 56 is still kind of sad with 92 people in here, but hey, what are you guys gonna do? There's 40 of you guys are lazy. It's all right. I like the smash button before I even get in the chat. It's why I'm never first. Tim coming in. I like it, Tim. I like it. Dedicated. Who cares about being first? You got to support the channel in another way. Clay, stop talking until you get 100 likes. I don't even know if that's possible, man. I don't even know if that... Let's see what happens. I'm going to stop talking until I get 100 likes or we drop under 85 views. Let's see what happens. Let's see which one you guys are going to do. Click the dang like button, people. Dude, you guys are so lame, man. 65 likes is all you could do? Oh my gosh, guys. 65 likes. That's extremely lame. I guess everybody else must just be a robot or something. That's why they couldn't click the like button. Actually, the robots probably clicked the like button. So thank you guys very much for not clicking any of the likes, and only one of you guys leaving. I appreciate only one person left while we were silent there. If people are tuning in now, just playing silent. Yeah, Zico, they're not going to know what's going on. Cliro, I know your allergies bothering you. Have you changed your HVAC filter and had your ducts cleaned? No, Tim, I have not had my air ducts cleaned in the last 5 years. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't even know if I've changed my air filter in the last 5 years. So, yeah. No, neither one of those have been done. Go ahead, click the like button as I come into... Frodo, I actually believe you. I believe a lot of you guys that are in here every day do come in and you click the like button right off the bat, and I absolutely appreciate that. These other guys are lazy, Frodo. They come in, they don't click the like button. They leave, they don't click the like button. I don't even do it. I click it twice. No, JJ, don't click it twice, man. Click it once. Okay, I know that looks like my... What? Okay, I know that look. If that's my look after change crypto winter, what are we talking about right now? I hit the like, okay. Sam Demand number 2. Good job, man. Thank you for clicking that like button. I prefer to lovingly caress the like button. DJ Trev, man, I don't care if you guys smash the like button. I don't care if you punch the like button. I don't care if you lick the like button. I don't care if you lovingly caress the like button. Just do something to the like button, man. Rub your mustache on the like button for all that matters. Just do something. Silence look like no, we don't want to look like Do Kwon in silence. That is terrible, man. Let's see. Ortex on BHAT, please. Dill 2000 DH, man. I do not have Ortex data, so I'm not able to do it. AMC Trappers, crazy, man. The bots coming in here. Click it 3 times. You can click it 3 times if you want. Just don't click it twice. Click it an odd number. I'm going to invent. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he's talking about my ducts being clean. Yeah, man. What am I gonna do with my air ducts? No, I'm not gonna clean those things. I'm gonna hire some dude to come out here with a, oh my gosh, vacuum and a little brush and sweep my ducts out. If I want to sweep my ducts out, I'll get a vacuum and a little brush. I'm gonna invent Red Bull infused with Benadryl for you. Then you won't get tired. Outdoor Smile. I've actually taken pre-workout and shortly after taking a Benadryl, and I will tell you right now, the Benadryl is a win. The Benadryl is a win. It is a much stronger force. It is like the Nap King, except it lasts much longer than 30 minutes. The Nap King would only last about 30 minutes. Benadryl lasts about until the next day at lunchtime. Lick the like button, I'm laughing hysterically that you ignored that. Pudgy! I don't even know what I ignored, man. I don't even know what I ignored, but I probably ignored something. But it's probably really, I don't even know, I might have ignored something. Good! Rub my handlebar mustache. There you go, fooball. There you go. Hammer the like button and smash the bell. Actually, yeah, I've never even told anybody to turn on notifications, but do it. Sorry, Clay. It was me. I forgot to hit like before I stepped away. Pika Power. Pika Power comes in, doesn't click the like button. Now we're at 73 because of Pika. Do it. Click the like button like Pika, guys. You want to be like Pika, and you want to click the like button. Hey, you got to get all your ducks in a row. Yes, I have to get all of my ducks in a row, Frodo. I got to make sure they're nice and clean, and my filter is clean as well. Need Shiba to go higher. Need money to take tumor away. I want to get my money back. Lost too much, man. My birthday sucked this year, too. Well, you know what? Sam DeMan, I'm going to be honest. Your birthday may have sucked this year because you may have been down, right? But imagine next year. Well, next year might suck, too. Imagine the year after, okay? If we're sitting here and it's 2024, 2025, and you're sitting on a $480,000 portfolio because you were able to responsibly invest during the bear market, and we started to turn around, and prices are 50% or 100% higher than where they're currently at, but had already dropped another 80% from where they're currently at. So you've already 20, 30, 40 extra money, and it's just time, dude. It's just time. I truly believe the crypto market right now is like the stock market 100 years ago. We have so much growth left ahead of us that it's going to be gross to miss out on it. And I don't want to miss out on it. I don't want you guys to miss out on it. Let's see. I'll sign in with my other two accounts and like DJ Trev. Don't be afraid to subscribe too. Click the bell. Oh, but what does personalized mean? Oh, actually, EdF88. So if you do click the bell, personalized means, and this is going to sound kind of scary, right? YouTube, if you click all, it literally just, when I post a video or whatever, and I think they only send 3 a day out. But if I post a video, they send you the notification right away. Personalized means that YouTube knows when you are most likely to watch a YouTube video, and they will notify you about my video when they think you're most likely to watch my video. So if you click personalized, it's going to be personalized to you based on when and what YouTube thinks that you're going to watch. So just keep that in mind. But hey, regardless, guys, you guys already know my videos come out at 11:30 a.m. and then 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern time. And then you guys know when the live streams are as well. So notifications are great if you don't know what time it is, if you're not paying attention to the videos and things like that. But personalized is slightly creepy in the fact that YouTube knows when you're most likely to watch a video and notifies you when you're most likely to watch a video. Next year might suck too. AMC Trapper, I'm just making sure that we are prepared in case this bear market lasts for a while. But the following year, no, really, guys, really. If you're sitting here and you're thinking a longer-term investment is really what you're into, and you're able to responsibly stack while we're low and things like that, yeah, dude. Next year it might suck. The year after might try to get a little bit better. But, dude, you turn a $4,000 portfolio into a $40,000 portfolio into a $400,000 portfolio. I mean, it's huge, right? It's huge. Sam, they will get better. It is time. And that's all it is, man. It is time. Slowly going down right now. It's because the Fed digging up the past. It probably does have something to do with that, man. I'm not going to lie. I don't know if it's exactly... I don't think that Powell said anything unexpected today. But I think that... I don't think he said anything good. Later, John, I say it's all set of mine. If you think it's bad, it's going to be bad. If you know it's going to be good, if it's going to be a good day, you'll make sure it's a great day. Yeah, Pudgy. And, sometimes if it's good right now, hey, enjoy the short term. Enjoy the gains. If it's bad today, try to ignore the bad days, but look to the future on what is going to be. With the bottom of what? I don't think so, Dogecoin member. I don't think we're at the bottom yet. Leave it on a good song. Pika pika, pika pika, pika pika la la la. Is that a song? I don't even know. Thank you, Trap and Paul Lawn. Heck yeah, man. And Julia too. You guys are awesome. Thank you, you're amazing. See you tomorrow. Have a great rest, bro. Dang, PS5. Can't believe I got all that. You too, PS5. My gosh, guys, it is 5 o'clock. I can't believe that. It actually went very fast. Let's get our names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs. If we can get over 100 likes, which it doesn't seem like we're going to with only 75 in here. Let's try to get over 100 likes if we can. If not, it's all right, guys. We got videos coming out in 2 hours. Videos coming out in 3 hours. Make sure to click the subscribe button, the like button, share button, all that good stuff. And then we'll be back with those videos this evening. We'll do the shout-outs, and then we will see you guys tomorrow on live. Dogecoin member, Ed F88. See you later. AMC Trapper, Ed F88. Digging up the past. OG Lunatic, Otham Shenna. See you later. Crypto Winter, Tim Hogan, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Ing Andro. See ya. Zico Paleri, Pudgy13, OG Lunatic, Pika Power, Wayne Grow, Frodo. See you later, man. Tim, Awana Silva. Adios, my Wana. Adios, my Wana. Enjoy your night. Buenas noches, Wana. Buenas noches. Outdoor Smile, Wayne Grow, Paul Ratlon, Sam Demand, Lay Runes, Crypto Winner, Julia Gulia, Shredda, PS5, Ed F88, DJ Trev, Market Talk. Peace out to you, man. Guys, make sure everybody that's got a channel that's trying to do something on social media, give them a follow, support them, please. We are all brothers here. We're brothers support brothers, man. Otham Chenna, see you later. Killer Pages, Shredda, King Blackheart, see you later. I clicked like and dislike. No, only click the like button. Only click the like button. Pika Power, see you later. JJ, Pika, Paul, Wayne Grow, OG Lunatic, Julia Gulia. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, Lacey Anderson, King Blackheart, boom, baby, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.